Alright, so what we're doing today is we're having a little bit of a snack.
You'll never experience vegetables like this. Yuca, the lightest of color of the tetra's chip, pale yellow-white. Taro, also known as Mejenga danshi, a white chip with a characteristic purple-brown lines. Sweet potato. Sweet potato, a root vegetable often called a yam. It's not really a yam at all, but rather a distinct variety of Ipomoea batata family. Okay. Ruby dip vegetables. Perhaps the most dramatic, these tetra chips are kissed with beet juice, resulting in their distinctive olive red color. Parsnip, a member of the same family of carrot, fennel, parsley, celery, celeriac, and chervil. Batata, a light brown in color yet darker than yuca. Batata has been savored in the Caribbean for centuries. Serving size 1 ounce. Serving per container 8. Amount per serving. Calories 150, 80 from fat. Total fat 9 grams. Saturated fat 1 gram. Trans fat 0. Polyunsaturated fat 0. Monounsaturated fat 0. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 110 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 16 grams. Fiber 3 grams. Total sugars 3 grams. No added sugar. Protein 1 gram. Vitamin C and iron. Ingredients: a seasonal mix of root vegetable, taro, sweet potato, taro colored with beet juice, canola oil and or safflower oil, and or sunflower oil, salt.
And in this one, I've just purchased this brand called Terra Vegetable Chips, and they're fortified with sea salt, non-GMO, and it says on here there's parsnips, taro, sweet potatoes, yuca, and batata. I've never seen this product before at Sam's Club, so I thought we'd try it out. So it's got the gluten-free symbol, it's got Terra cycle, it's non-GMO. And on here it says Hain Celestial. Okay, that's wonderful. The ingredients are a seasonal mix of root vegetables, taro, sweet potato, batata, yuca, parsnip, expeller press canola oil and or safflower oil, and or sunflower oil, sea salt, beet juice, concentrated color. Okay, so that's what it's made out of. We're going to have it with sambar roasted red pepper hummus, which is what I usually have around the house. Also bought at Sam's Club. We got these really cool clip bags. So now we'll be able to test them on our new chip bag. Okay, so you can see a variance of colors here. So we'll try this red one first. Well, this is a winner. This red one is very good, especially with the hummus. So it's a little. It looks like the red one is a ruby dip vegetable. I'm not quite sure which one this is. This could be a taro. They're good, but they fall apart in pieces. I think this chip is a sweet potato. It tasted like a sweet potato. A little hard to decide whether this is a yuca chip or it's a taro chip. So this is what the bag looks like when you look inside. And you can see all the different colors. And I would say that this is a winner for the potato chip. It's delicious. It's not over salted like some potato chips have so much salt. They just take away the flavor. Here you can really taste the product. So this is what I'm having my lunch, and with a little salad. All right, all of you have a good day, and we'll see you soon in the next video.